a Personal Green Smoothie in the new Tribest Personal Blender 2. So this little compact personal blender is perfect for single serve smoothies if you're looking for something on the run. So let's show you how to do it. So I'm actually going to use the mason jar attachment today. That's what I love about this personal blender. You can blend into any standard size mason jar. You get these BPA free containers here with it as well. So I'm going to start off with some ice. Ice is no worries for the personal blender. We're going to put in some spinach. We've got a little bit of fresh mint here. We'll put in some cucumber. We've got some banana here, about half a banana. And we're also going to put in some pineapple. That looks pretty good. And we're going to put in some coconut water. That's really hydrating, really good for you. And I'm just going to put our lid into place here, our blade into place I should say. Just screw that on till it's nice and tight. And I'm just going to lock it down here. Now I can pulse it or I can lock it down and hold it in place. So I'm going to lock it down and hold it in place for about 30 seconds. Away we go. How easy it is. We'll just take our blade off here, take off this attachment, and we've got 500 ml of delicious green smoothie ready to go for the day. You can put a commuter lid on here or you can store it in the fridge. It's up to you, it doesn't matter. Absolutely delicious. Happy blending.